Yeah, hi guys, Steven at Fort Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Sorry guys, I made a video yesterday and camera turned itself off when I was going through the process. So I'm just going to clear up a few matters. I have made the withdrawal. Let me show you the withdrawal history. Remember I had $131 there yesterday. Now that's in what it's called the withdrawal section. That's already been withdrawn into my account, as you can see. Withdrawal, $133.16. Now I just want to verify that for you because, like I said, my video went off yesterday without verifying this process. So that's already gone, as you can see also on my account overview. Did $131 has gone. Now, where else did I? Oh, here we go. Go and have a look at withdrawal history. Nope, not there. Earnings, must be in earnings. No, hold on, there was somewhere else I saw it. Don't even know my own system. Withdrawal history. Oh, here we go. Under withdrawal funds. As you can see, the Litecoin, all of it's gone. And of course, it's in my account, my wallet, of course. So again, just to verify, LTC Auto Mining, Litecoin Auto Mining, has done a wonderful job. Now, in this area, even if you just join, that's the guaranteed part of it. If you join, you're going to get all these informations. Now, click on that and you'll read a lot of wonderful information about it. More importantly, now, deposit history, I think. More importantly, when you join, Litecoin is going to give you, okay, $1 for free. Okay, that $1 is going to generate income for you. It's not a lot, but at least the company wants to introduce you to the system, how to make money with these cryptocurrency contract mining. Now that will last, I think, 200 days. So you just calculate that whatever that dollar will make for you every day, in 200 days, how much you're going to make. So you imagine and do your own calculation. If a dollar can make you that sort of money, how much money would you get if you say you put in $100? Now, one of my latest deposit, these are my own deposit, as you can see, it's not a lot. Hold on, let me show it to you so you can appreciate the only small amount. $50, $55, $90, $90, $83, $92, and of course the latest one on September 8th was $106. Now they're only small. Why? Simple. So you know you can afford it too. You don't have to have thousands of dollars, okay? Let me go to, okay, you don't have to have $1,000 to join this process. You can start with just $10, $30. I mean, you can upgrade to say $300, up to $500, or even if you have lots more money, $1,000 to $2,000. But before you start activating this $1,000 and $2,000 or even higher, make sure you talk to LTC Coin admin. Now, to get access to admin, go to support, okay, and send them a message. Just tell them that you're going to put in a substantial amount of money into the system. This is under contact, of course. Contact us before you make this high amount of investments. You don't want to lose your money because you didn't understand what you're putting your money into. But more importantly, as I said, just join, and LTC Coin will give you $1. If $1 can make you money with this system, imagine how much more if you put a lot more money into it. Okay, now after it's made some money, I showed you, then you got to have a wallet, cryptocurrency wallet, to transfer all your balance or your profit into, then back into your bank account. So it's a simple process. Sorry, not wallet. I think you got to transfer it into a cryptocurrency exchange, a place like Binance, crypto.com, Coinbase, CoinSpot, KuCoin and all the exchange that allows you then to transfer your crypto into real money. And that the crypto, they call it fiat, F-I-A-T. Don't know why they changed all the names around, but that's what they call it. But anyway, this is Stephen R. Ford from My Ford Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. I hope I've given you some idea how to join the cryptocurrency family. And sorry, I am making this funny video with my phone because the wife has taken the computer that allows me to record my recording on the computer. Unfortunately, this computer that I'm using can't seem to handle my recording software. But anyway, I hope I'm giving you some idea. So from now on till Christmas, you have a Merry Christmas. Looking forward to you in New Year's. But of course, if you're looking at my videos right now, just join and you get a free $1. It's nothing. But I highly encourage you to make a lot of money with these systems. Just invest a bit of your own money into it. And I'm going to give you a strategy just before I close down. If you hold a job, and if you say you got an extra $50 every week, buy a new contract every week and watch what those new contracts would be worth. Say $50 this week, $50 next week, and so on and so on. And watch how much money you're going to be making. I tell you what, that is creating your own self, what it's called a passive income, that you're going to continue just getting income coming in 30 days from one contract, the next 30 days, the next contract. Each new contract starts up a new 30-day period. It doesn't add on to your earlier contract. Each contract is totally different from the other. So that's one strategy I can encourage you to do. If you are working and you want to earn some money from some of these investment processes, try that one. Each week, just buy a contract. Each week, just buy a contract. It's just like investing anywhere in the world that you got to put money in any investment. In your bank, your money sitting in the bank's doing you nothing. Trust me. But if you put it in these systems, at least you'll be earning right about 5 to 6% every single day for 30 days, of course. But of course, hold on. Let me show you another beautiful thing with LTC coin. Say you got a little bit more money, say 20,000 US or 50,000 US. Look at how many days you can be earning. You'll be earning 40 days with your investment instead of 30 days. So if you got 20K or 50K, consider it. Have a go at it, but make sure you contact first LTC before you put 20K or 50K in it and negotiate a deal with them, making sure that it is you, okay? It's going through the procedure, and of course, hold on, edit account, no, sorry, security system. Make sure, when you join up these systems, go through your security system, okay? And activate your two-factor authentication. These ones here, just follow what I've got here. Disable, because these two will interfere with your account if you sign up with another computer or another IP address. These are sensitive to make sure to look after your account. If you log in, even if it's you logging into your LTC coin from another IP address, the system will pick it up. It may not be you, it could be somebody else. That's how sensitive it is. They're trying to protect your account. So if they notice that you have log in to your account with another IP address or another computer, it will recognize it straight away. And sometimes they can close your account just because you have signed in from a different IP address. That's why you click it off, disable, and use this two-factor authentication system to access your account, and it protects your account also. This is very simple. Read about it or go to Google it up to see how to activate it. It's a long process, but it protects your account. But anyway, Stephen R. Ford from My Ford Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. We love you. God loves you. And this is from LTC Auto Mining. Catch you in my next video. Bye for now.